Afternoon, ladies and gents, and Merry Christmas. We're here to make an old man very happy.
Afternoon, mate. I heard you need a plumber.
Afternoon, mate. I heard you need a plumber.
Right, lads, you don't look familiar. Come on in.
So what seems to be the problem, mate?
I've just been having a few issues with the boiler recently.
Oh, I see. Okay, let me have a look at this for you.
No, it's not there. It's actually in here.
Looks like my colleague's already fixed it. How about we go and look at something else?
Being a plumber's a very tough job.
Hey, what are you doing? We need you in there. What even is this? Come on.
Plumber at your service. What do you need? I'm a big boy plumber in these parts.
Hello, mate. Nice to see you again. Got a few issues down below. Just down here.
Oh, I love being a plumber in these cold parts. Where'd you get that cold from?
Milk's in the fridge, mate.
Pingus, where'd you say that milk was? Sorry to bother you, mate. Have you seen Pingus anywhere?
No, mate, I haven't. I'm just on the lookout for him, fella.
No sign of Pingus. I might as well make myself useful. He could be up here. Pingus! You up there? This area is a disaster zone. I think Pingus has been here. We'll leave that. Sorry to bother you again, mate, but have you seen Pingus anywhere?
Sorry, mate. I don't have the best eyesight nowadays. Could you fix the bath before you leave, please?
Bath seems to be in working order. It's been a long day. I'm off to hit the hay. See you later, mate.
Yeah, mind the step on your way out.